This is an L-shaped house design with a total area of 50 times 30 meters square. Although the area of this house is spacious, but the main building only has 2 bedrooms and 3 bedrooms. The area of the house is surrounded by a garden and a jogging track, which is about 150 meter length, so you can exercise comfortably in this house yard. On the right side, there is a swimming pool with a size of 15 times 6 meters square. And there is a large pool deck between the pool and the house. You can sit there to relax every time you want. If you pay attention to the paving block that cover the main yard, it is porous, which can absorb water. You don't need to worry about excessive puddle during heavy rain. On the front, there is one small garage to park your car. Actually, it is fit for 2 cars. If you want to build more rooms, for example adding 1 or 2 bedrooms, is not a problem. The houses are still adequate for that. You can try DIY home decor. Do it yourself home decor and choose your favorite floor plan.